How to block a user on Reddit easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to block a user on Reddit easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to reddit.com and log into your account, and now all what you have to do is choose the user that you want to block and then go to his profile. For example, this person right here. Of course I'm not gonna block this person because I don't know her or I don't know him. All what you have to do to block any user, just go to more options on his profile or her profile, click on more options and click block user. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.